Welcome back to a new mixed media tutorial. Today I'm working on a altered tea bag with the ColourCraft fabric paints. I use a Tim Holtz flower stamp for the background. The man on the photo is my grandfather, and I scanned the old photos I got from my grandmother to the computer and used them as printables. I add some Aztec metallics to my sentiment. I glued down the sentiment and the photo and add a little bit of black thread. Finally, I add some white splatters. Thank you for watching today. If you liked the video, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!